You ever get that nagging feeling that what worked before might not work anymore? Like maybe the old playbook, the one we've relied on for years, just isn't cutting in this new world? Well, that's what we are talking about today. Because for the past 2 decades, when businesses hit roadblocks from capacity, cost, burnout, the default solution, it has been one word: outsourcing. Need to grow fast? Outsource. Margins getting squeezed? Outsource. Can't find talent locally? Outsource. But here's the million-dollar question: is outsourcing still the smart move in 2025? Or are we hanging on to an old idea where the world quietly moved on? Now, that's what we are unpacking today with fresh eyes, data, and real operational insights. No fluff, no old school BPO jargon. So let's dig in. First things first, what's actually changed? We are operating in a world that looks nothing like 2015. And let's break it down. Talent costs, they're up everywhere, including your traditional outsourcing hubs. AI, it's creeping into every workflow. Clients, they want faster delivery, better quality, lower prices, all at the same time. Regulations and compliance, they're getting tighter and tighter every single day. And political noise, whether it's tariff wars, protectionist policies, or regional instability, it adds a whole new layer of uncertainty. So naturally, everyone's asking, is outsourcing still future proof? Or is it becoming risky or even irrelevant? Let me be real with you. Outsourcing isn't dying, but it's definitely evolving. Let's zoom into your business for a second. Your recruiters, they are trying to close roles while chasing CV formatting, compliance, updating CRMs, logging interview feedback, and sometimes even chasing references. Your salespeople, they are trying to pitch and close deals while doing their own lead generation, sending out follow ups, updating the pipeline, building proposals. Operations, they're usually stuck reacting to problems, firefighting, not building systems to prevent them. Sound familiar? This isn't just about being busy. This is capacity drag, and it's deadly to your growth. So, outsourcing, if used right, isn't just about cutting costs. It's about getting your team back to doing what they were actually hired to do. But let's be honest, the old model of outsourcing, where you send work to the cheapest vendor and hope for the best, that's over. Today's outsourcing, it has to be strategic, integrated, and built for outcomes, not just activity. It's not about offloading your tasks. It's about designing your business to scale without burning people out or blowing up your payroll. And that's the new lens. Good outsourcing is like building a powerful back office engine. For speed, your CVs go out in hours, not just days. Stability, compliance is watertight. Onboarding is smooth. Your CRM is clean. Scalability, you can grow without chaos because your systems, not just your people, are doing the heavy lifting. And you know what that means? Your team closes more roles. Your clients, they are happier. Your brand looks sharper. All without needing to double your headcount every time a new project lands. Now, let's talk sales. Your best salespeople should be doing high leverage work, talking to clients, understanding needs, building trust, closing deals. But if they're spending 40% of their time updating CRMs, managing proposals, or digging through LinkedIn for leads, you are losing money. With the right outsource support, you can offload all of that. Imagine if your salespeople only focused on what they're doing great at and had a full time assistant in the background managing the rest. That's how you double your productivity without doubling the costs. Look, cost savings, they're real, especially when you're hiring great offshore talent at 40 to 50% of what it costs onshore. But that's just the step one. The real profit, it comes from faster turnaround, higher output, lower burnout, reduced client churn, reduced staff churn, more billable time. This is how you build a margin positive business. Not by cutting corners, but by reallocating your resources to where they matter most. Now, let's talk AI. And here's the juicy bit. This is where most people either panic or completely miss the opportunity. AI is not a threat, at least at this stage. It's a multiplier. But let's be crystal clear. AI isn't just plug and play. It can write emails. Great. But someone needs to decide which ones, when, and to who. AI can screen CVs. Awesome. But who sets the criteria? Who reviews the edge cases? Who follows up with the actual candidates? AI can automate follow ups, summarize interviews, and even give you leads with the lists. But unless someone is managing the prompts, monitoring the flow, validating the outputs, and stepping in when required or things go sideways, you're not saving time. You're creating noise, lots of it. So here's the reality. Yes, AI will reduce the number of people you need to do certain tasks, but it also raises the bar for the people you need. Before, you might have needed 10 people. Now, maybe 5. But they need to be sharper, faster, more tech savvy, and more strategic. You still need a team. You just need a different kind of team. The new world isn't about just replacing humans, it's about augmenting them, combining the efficiency of machines with the intelligence of and the agility of people. And guess what? That kind of team is often built with a mix of onshore, offshore, and AI powered tools, all working together. That's the model operating model. So, is outsourcing still worth it? Absolutely, but not in the way most people think. It's no longer about just using it as a cost cutting tool. It's a business enablement strategy. It's how you grow without breaking things, how you improve margins without burning out your people, how you deliver better results faster, more consistently without inflating your headcount. It's not offshore versus onshore anymore. It's the right role, right place, right cost, backed by the right systems. And if you get that mix right, you don't just survive in this new era, you thrive in it. Let me know what you think. So, if you're still wondering whether outsourcing is worth it in 2025, just remember it's not about just cutting costs. It's about capacity, it's about clarity, it's about creating room for your best people to do their best work. Thanks for tuning into the Recruitment Curry podcast. This is Ketan Gajjar signing off. Keep growing, keep thriving, and carry on.